Monday morning fabrics. These are beautiful. These are really, you know, it stayed warmer. You know, our weather is warmer than it typically is. So I'm going to bring you some kind of now fabrics. These are so pretty. There's a beautiful dusty pink, dusty rose they call it, whatever. This is a rayon. It's got a little bit of lycra in it. It's got stretch in both directions. Just a really pretty color and great drape. This color looks good on just about everybody. Love this. This is a masculine and feminine, kind of both. Beautiful, 100% viscose, stretch in both directions. Well, stretch in one direction. Anyway, great fabric, great drape. These are great for tops, and they'll last forever. The fabric is just such good quality. This is 100% silk. I easily see a jacket out of this. I just think it's wonderful. It's pretty. Again, great drape, and it goes just perfect with this. Somebody asked me if I'd put those together. Absolutely. This could be like the Pontoroma. It's like a Pontoroma. It's a cotton poly, but it has a Pontoroma texture to it. Bright drape again. Do pants and top out of this, and then a little jacket to match would be adorable. Or a little top out of this. This, I love this. This is a fabric. It says spring and summer, but you can wear it in other times besides the spring and the summer, but it's a panel. So it's got lots of empty fabric, and it's sold by the panel, and it's just really pretty. And it's 100% viscose, stretch in both directions. And then this, we have a lovely pink. It goes with all of it. This is a rayon lycra. Has stretch in both directions again. And you can see just great drape. And great prices. The goal is great prices. Happy sewing and happy Monday from Silhouette Patterns.